We will discuss blood stasis, obstructing the mind as a pattern for depression. Clinical manifestations: depression, mental restlessness, agitation at night, short temper, restless sleep, dreaming a lot, pain in the chest. Tongue is purple, pulse wiry. Blood is the residence of the mind and ethereal soul, and the deficiency of blood frequently affects both the mind and the ethereal soul, depriving them of their residence. However, it is important to note that blood stasis also affects the mind and the ethereal soul. In particular, blood stasis tends to obstruct the mind in a similar way that phlegm does, and in serious cases, it can lead to a certain loss of insight. The patient is depressed but also anxious and agitated and may dream a lot, as blood stasis frequently causes an aggravation of symptoms at night. Remember, not only blood deficiency, but also blood stasis affects the mind, or Shen. The pattern of blood stasis obstructing the mind is more common in people over 40 and in women. It is usually due to long-standing repressed anger, worry, or guilt. Treatment principle: invigorate blood, calm the mind, eliminate stasis. Points: P6, bladder 17, spleen 10, Ren 14, heart 5, spleen 6, liver 3, GB 15, do 20, all needled with reducing or even method, except for do 20, which should be reinforced. P6 invigorates blood and affects the upper burner and therefore the head. It also calms the mind and regulates coming and going of the ethereal soul. Bladder 17 and spleen 10 invigorate blood. Both these points invigorate blood, and they are often used together, as the former invigorates blood in the upper burner, the bladder 17, and spleen 10 in the lower burner. Ren 13 and heart 5 invigorate blood in the heart, and therefore calm the mind when this is agitated by blood stasis. Heart 5 invigorates blood by virtue of it being the connecting point. Spleen 6 and liver 3 calm the mind and invigorate blood. GB 15 has a deep effect on the emotional life and is particularly indicated to balance the moods when the person oscillates between periods of low spirits and periods of elation. This point is effective to stop obsessive thoughts and pensiveness. And finally, do 20 lifts the mood. Thank you for your attention.